First, the Bladerunner indoor helicopter rocked the radio control world. Now, the award-winning air rage Bladerunner 2 takes indoor chopper missions to a new level of excitement. It's all the rage, with its total control flight stability. Blazing searchlight and flashing running lights, you'll experience helicopter performance that's even more real. Patented coaxial rotors deliver full digitally proportional control. Forward. Back. Left. Right. Up. And down. The Bladerunner 2 features a sturdy foam body and is ready to fly right out of the box with a cool RC transmitter, lithium polymer flight battery, and its own AC charger. With 2 available frequencies, you can double your fun and fly 2 choppers at the same time. The award-winning Bladerunner 2. In the house.